Hello guys, it's Mr. Tech Reviews 101. I already uploaded an LG Optimus apps review, but apparently there were some technical difficulties in the video, so I'm going to do a fresh new one as soon as the autofocus comes in. Come on. Okay, so I'm going to go over the apps that are on my phone. I have 106 in Park, 3D Bowling, the virtual assistant where you can tell it what to do. Say you wanted to type to it, you just type in your board there, of course, on your touch screen, where you can say, "What is the weather today?" And it will find what the weather is today. It's really awesome. Let's see.
The current weather for Stockbridge is partly cloudy, 59 F.
However, there are a few difficulties, like for instance she said 59 F instead of 59 degrees. They could just fix that out a little bit. You have, of course, your camcorder app. If you want to record video from your phone, the WVGA, and if you want it to take your 3.2 megapixel pictures. Okay, the main app I think you'll find that you'll use a lot on this particular phone is Facebook. You can browse through your Facebook. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to put it out on the internet. What I do. So you have Earth Cam, you have the Electrum Drum. This is the demo version, of course. Oops, go back. There you go. Create your drums there. See, you can change your beats per minute. I'll go into that later. You have your fingerprint scanner. It's more of a game than an actual fingerprint scanner. Like you just
scanning.
Some kind of sci-fi-ish looking app from the future, even though actually your devices are from the future, I guess.
Access granted.
And it's just more of like a game-ish app. You have your gallery, which is already what you usually look at, like if you have to check your pictures, videos, and you can scroll through it and all sorts of stuff like that. You have your FPS test, which tests your phone's frame rate. As you can see, it's running 55 frames per second. It certainly will not do this during video. It'll give you the display size 320 by 480 going that way, and then now 480 by 320. Okay, so and the maximum frame rate was 115. Just on that app though. You have iHeartRadio, which is very good. You can listen to your local radio from the internet, of course. So it truly brings the future a step closer. Yeah. And you just play it. You should play the song. See it? And of course, if you want to take the song off, just press the stop button. Easy. So, hope I don't get sued for that on YouTube for playing that. Okay, you have your IP webcam. It's kind of confusing on this app because it does give you an option, but when you start the webcam and you start to begin the server stream, it will give you a weird address. Like it'll say it doesn't give you a good address. In other words, it'll just give you an address like go to HTTP and that little website right there. Okay, so and of course nobody's on it because I haven't started this yet. I might in the near future, but not yet. You have music, of course, to browse through your music. You can search through it. I Do by Jay-Z. Oops. Excuse me. I Do, Young Jeezy. And it'll search it for you. And see, it's very easy with these apps, as you can see. So let's go all the way back down there. Yeah. You have Pool Master, you have Real Racing. The problem with Real Racing is that if your phone does not have 600 megabytes of free space on it, you won't be able to use it, so it's pretty much worthless. You have recipes if you want to do a recipe, and if you want to use a QR code, you can even create your own QR code with this. This is a really cool app. Like for instance, if you wanted to do create a QR code, simply go here, QR codes, and you can do anything you want to. Now, this brings also the feature actually here that is very futuristic. You can make your own ringtone maker and your own ringtones for your phones. You should be able to anyway. Sexy time, I'm not sure how that got on my phone. I'm not sure how that got in there, in all honesty. Must have been what my friend downloaded. Okay, yeah, for your temperature reader, it's pretty boring. It doesn't really give you an articulate weather forecast. It just tells you what the temperature is outside, and just say it's 47 degrees or Celsius, I guess. Say it. Okay, that is not where I am. It's far away from here. Then you have the Weather Channel app. The Weather Channel app is what gives you your radar, your temperature, your pretty much everything. See that? 58 degrees, wind speed, sunset time, sunrise time, all that. What it feels like. You can even go to the maps. They'll give you the radar maps. Yep. Sometimes it takes a little while for it to load up. You can see if there's severe thunderstorm warnings or any kind of severe weather. You can do your social, Twitter. I think that's the only thing they do. They don't do Facebook. That's a shame. Okay, your thermovision camera, your ultra voice changer, which is a really lame app, and this right here is a fake app because it doesn't give you wind speed at all. It's a wind speed converter, which means it's not what you would call an anemometer, which detects wind speed. It only converts wind. If you want to use that for math, then I guess that would be a good thing, but it certainly is not good if you want to actually know how fast the wind is blowing outside. This right here is a vibrometer. Shake, 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 and it'll give you the maximum right there. Very useful. The sound meter does not work on this because I think there's something wrong with it's incompatible with this particular phone. That's a shame. So I didn't know it vibrates. It vibrates. It gives you the direction. Look at that. It's amazing there. Sorry, it's out of focus there. I'm sorry about that. Come on, go back. Thank you. See that? It gives you the directions. I don't want to waste my phone's vibration life though. You have a speed test to test how fast your phone speed is. So let's begin the test and watch this. It will give you your test. Excuse me about that. I'm sorry about that. I had to bring the phone back because it looked like it was nearly at the screen. Please forgive me for the last video I did. It had a few errors in it. 693 kilobytes per second, and the other one, that's the download speed for Atlanta, Georgia, I guess. It's not really doing well in here. And upload is 294. Okay, that's pretty bad. And I think that's pretty much it on here. You have your Facebook Messenger, you have Maverick, you have your own GPS, you can go to Google Maps. Instant heart rate is a failure. You have to put your finger through the top part of the camera there so it can measure your heart rate. All you have to do is just move your finger up and down to get your heart rate. It's just really bad. The design is not bad at all, but the actual, I mean, look at this. You can just do that, and it would just do that. It's just really bad, and it doesn't even give an accurate heart rate anyway. So yep, that's pretty much it on the on my phone. These are the apps. This is a redone video of what I did before. It got 2,000 views, but apparently there's some errors in the video. But so far, this has been a very fluid phone. It slowed down a few times. I had to restart it a few times, and that's pretty much it. The one last app I would have to show you is a barcode scanner. What you do with this is you simply hold it over a barcode and scan it. It's really simple. So wait a minute. Yeah, it'll scan it for you. And that's exactly why I'm in this particular room right now. Also, it's very noisy outside this room, so and that would distract the viewers, so please don't ask me. But anyways, it would scan your barcodes. Let's try this one. And it scans it, as you can see the little yellow dots scanning it there. Sometimes it takes a little bit long though, like it's doing right now, but it scanned it. 0332002223450, and it's AIM multi-benefit gel toothpaste, and it is. So yeah, this is a very fun phone, and a very fun has very fun apps on it. So I'd recommend you get this. Okay, so this is a redone video to the other one I did back in December.